Hello and welcome back to my channel Easy Olympiad Maths. I am posting some Achiever section questions from previous year papers of IMO for class 5. New users, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications for new uploads. There will be 50 questions in the paper and 5 questions in Achiever sections. So the Achiever section starts with question number 46. So let's start the video. The airmail rates of two countries are shown below. Now see the table. The airmail rates for two countries, India and Australia, is given. For first 20 kg, the rate is 42.40 rupees for India and 35.12 for Australia. For every additional 10 kg or part thereof, they charge rupees 10 rupees 50 paisa, and for Australia it is 9 rupees 80 paisa. Now Devika sent a parcel weighing 32 kg to India and a parcel weighing 28 kg to Australia by air mail. How much did she pay altogether? So Devika sent a parcel weighing 32 kg to India and 28 kg to Australia. So how much she pay altogether? Now look at the solution on the right side. Now cost of parcel weighing 32 kg that is sent to India, we break the weight according to the price. So 20 plus 10 plus 2 kg. For first 20 kg, rupees 42.40, plus for next 10 kg, 10 rupees 50 paisa, and for part thereof 10 rupees 50 paisa, which is 2 kg. So we calculated the price. Now for Australia, she sent cost of parcel weighing 28 kg sent to Australia. We break the weight according to the price given. So 20 plus 8 kg equals to 20. For 20 kg it is 35 rupees 12 paisa, plus part thereof means 8 kg is 9.80 paisa. So it is equals to 44.92. Now total cost is 63.40 plus 44.92 is 108.32. So B is the correct option. Question 47. The total distance from Karan's house to Neha's house is 3000 meter. The distance from Karan's house to a shopping mall is 4 times as far as from Karan's house to Neha's house. Now part A. If Karan travels from his house to Neha's house and then travels to the shopping mall with Neha, find the distance traveled by Karan. Now see the solution. Distance traveled from from Karan's house to Neha's house and then to shopping mall is equals to distance traveled from Karan house to shopping mall, which is given 4 times of the distance from Karan house to Neha's house, which is 4 times of 3000, which is 12,000 meter, equals to 12 kilometer. Now part B. Find the distance traveled by Neha from her house to the shopping mall and back to her house. Now total distance from Karan's house to shopping mall is 12,000 meter, and from Karan house to Neha's house is 3000 meter. So distance traveled by Neha from her house to mall will be 12,000 minus 3000, which is 9,000, and back to her house she traveled 9,000 meter again. So total distance she traveled is 9,000 plus 9,000 equals to 18,000, which is 18 kilometer. So the correct option will be D. Question 48. Match the columns. Now some questions are given in column 1. Match them with the answers in column 2. Now you can see the solution on the right hand side. Now first part is 625,000 is 8,000 less than how many thousands? So you see the solution. 625,000 plus 8,000 is equals to 633,000. So which is option R. Second, subtract the sum of 23,653 and 54,345 from 987,000. Now first calculate the sum of 23,653 and 54,345, which is equals to 77,998. Now subtract it from 987,000, will get 99,090,902, which is option P. Now third part is half of a number is 12,000. Then 3/4 of the same number is. So half of the number is 12,000 means the number is 24,000. So 3/4 of 24,000 is 18,000, which is option Q. Question 49. The given bar graph shows the number of people like different type of fruits. Study the graph and answer the question that follows. Now see the graph. So first calculate how many people likes banana. It is given in the graph. So just on the graph of banana write how many people like banana. It's 300. So write 300. For orange it's 250. For mango it is 400. And for apple it is 150. So write these numbers on the graph. Now calculate for grapes. It is double of number of people like apples. So for apple 150 people like apples. So 300 double of 150 is 300. So 300 people likes grapes. Now you have to find the total number of people in the survey. So the numbers you have written on the graph, just add them. Question number 50, fill in the blanks. Now you have to solve the equations given in the 4 parts in question 50 and choose the correct option. You can check your answers at the end of video. Check your answers here. Thanks for watching. If the video is useful, like, share and subscribe.